If you tap on this video, it's because whether you got cheated on recently or in your lifetime, it was at least one time that you did got cheated on. And in the worst case scenario, you're that type of girls who are in a lovely committed relationship, but you are always so afraid, what if he cheats on you? You can see all over social media, everyone's talking about how men cheat, and all men cheat actually. In overall, it's not a normal experience that a girl can have, and the side effects of this experience can actually affect your whole love life. So please stay in this video with me so I can convince you that this cheating stuff was not personal. It has nothing to do with you. We're gonna get our answer in that case, that do all men cheat or not. We're gonna set your mind in a way that this trauma that he left you with not gonna affect your love life anymore. Hello guys, it's Adina again, and I'm so back with another relationship matter to talk about. This time we're gonna talk about cheating, what a common matter happening every other day for different girls, mostly for beautiful girls. Without any introduction, let's dive deep into it. First of all, I'm so happy that I don't need to convince girls anymore that cheating is not personal. Why? Because these days on social media that you can see that all Victoria's Secret models, Shakira, Kylie Jenner, the most famous, gorgeous and successful girls are getting cheated on. So I think right now most of the girls are aware of this fact that cheating is not personal. And that's true. 99.9% of the time when a guy cheats, the problem is not his girl. It's not you. 99.9% of the time. But although all these facts are so obvious on social media and everywhere, still when a girl is getting cheated on, it will leave a big trauma and a scar in their mental health. I can see that most of the girls who ever got cheated on, their confidence significantly decreased. And another thing is that they're not comfortable with their looks anymore. Somehow I can see my clients and my friends, after they get cheated on, they will immediately go to surgery, doctors or beauty salons, and they change their hair color. They change the shape of nose. They do some surgery in their face, and I can see that for a very long time in their life, they're not comfortable with their face anymore. Even though there are so many examples on social media that the girl is not the problem, even Victoria's Secret angels are getting cheated on, still it will affect you. It will affect you in this way, and we cannot deny the effect. So it's very normal if you immediately want to become hotter and you want to glow up, because subconsciously you get this message that you are not enough. Another matter that I want to go into is that in overall, if you have a call with me regarding your relationship matter, especially if it's the beginning of the relationship and I can really help you, you know what would I say? I would say that do not invest on men. Do not help them to become richer and hotter and glow up in their life. Do not become the one who stays in their hard days. Do not accept bare minimum and do not spend money on them. Do not do 50-50. Why do I say all these things? Is first of all because you are the one who should be comfortable in this relationship, because subconsciously and naturally, based on creatures, women should be comfortable, and women love comfortability, softness and luxury. So you should get treated like a princess. If it's his birthday, you should not give them as expensive gifts as they give you. Mostly go for more emotional thing, very nice letter with a very not expensive gift. Mostly gifts that has emotional values rather than price values. So other than the reason I say this is that girls should be like this, it's very normal. The second reason is that you can never trust a man. And don't fool yourself with the thing that, no, my boyfriend would not do it. No, he doesn't have a time. If the man has the time to go to the bathroom, he has the time to cheat. So don't fool yourself with these words and don't trust any man, and always be the receiver in the relationship. This way, even if he cheats, you didn't lose much. You only have some Oscars to cure in yourself. You cannot believe how many times girls coming to me and be like, okay, Alina got cheated on, and instead of me having to pacify them, you know what I have to do? I have to listen to all the sacrifices they make, and now they're regretting it, because this is another pain. They be telling me how much money they spent in that relationship, how much time they spent there, how much energy. Oh, I used to always pick up his little brother from school after work even though I was tired. Why did you? Comfort is your very basic thing that you should have in the relationship. Why would you, I don't know, do something for his family if you're not comfortable with it? Do not do extra things for men. They are the one who should do all these things for you, and you have zero responsibility to put yourself in any discomfort or in any expenses for them, because in the end, because all these are extras. All these are extras, and in the end, you're gonna regret it, whether the relationship ends with happiness or he gonna cheat on you. And I know he was a good guy, I know you didn't expect this, but our first rule is to not trusting men. Why would you do all these? Because you're so sure he's not gonna cheat on you. In overall, I'm not telling you if you got into a relationship, you would be always anxious that if he gonna cheat on you or not, because this is not the way. If you do the basics right, it doesn't really matter. Do the basics right. Why would we, us dating coaches, be like, always go on relationships that serves you, always go on relationships that level up your life and gives you a certain lifestyle. They spend money on you, they give you gifts, what a perfect situation that you got into a relationship, you didn't spend a single extra service or extra fee in this relationship. You all enjoyed it, received flowers, received gifts, received respect, and also give away some of your, basics that as a girlfriend you always give away in a relationship. But you mostly received, and your life got developed, and you got a certain lifestyle, and you experienced great things with this guy. And now he cheated. He's lost. All you did in this relationship was like receiving. So now that you got cheated on, let's say, in a worst case, the only thing you need to be worried about is that, oh, my emotions got hurt. Not 1,000 things you've ever sacrificed for this guy. So if you do the basics right, the basics that us dating coaches always tell you, because your lifestyle is already, level up, so because you got already so much from this guy that you're like, you know what, even thank you for all these things that you did to me. Okay, you cheated. Okay, you don't need to worry about all those stupid sacrifices you've ever did, and you do feel stupid after, and that's the worst feeling you can ever have in your life. We will definitely have another video on this matter, so make sure you're subscribing if you're interested in this topic. And this was pretty much it for today. Thank you so much for staying with me all this video long. Love you all, and see you on the next video about guys cheating on beautiful girls.